Here I have BLACKVIEW BV9000 and let me show you how to allow installed apps from unknown sources. So at the very beginning I have to open the settings, then scroll down, find and pick security, which is here under personal, then scroll down one more time and under device administration you will find unknown sources. So just by tapping on this switcher you will be able to allow installation of apps from unknown sources. Just click over here, confirm it one more time, and from now on you will be able to install apps that are not to be found in your app store. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.